Here is how to enable staking on Kraken step by step. First, open the Kraken app or visit kraken.com and log into your account. You'll first need to go to these 9 dots on here, press on them, and then choose Kraken Pro. Here you can see it has spot trading, margin, and staking and futures. This is what we need, so press on it. From the dashboard, tap the Earn tab. It may also be labeled as Staking and Rewards, depending on your region. Now scroll through the list of available assets. You'll see coins like Ethereum, DOT, Atom, ADA, Solana, and more, each showing their estimated APY. Choose the asset you want to stake, then tap Stake. Enter the amount you'd like to stake and confirm. You might need to transfer funds from your spot wallet to your staking wallet, which Kraken will guide you through. Some assets like Ethereum 2 have different terms, for example, locking periods, so always check the details. Once confirmed, your staking goes live and you'll start earning rewards daily or weekly, depending on the token. You can manage, unstake, or check your rewards anytime from the staking section in your account. And that's how you enable staking on Kraken, a fast way to earn passive income with your crypto. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.